Okay, so welcome back sa ating demonstration on how to install an operating system gamit ang virtual machine. Alright, so once you are here, ayan, sa CV3 na tayo ha. Ito yung once na nakapag-start up na ng maayos at nakita na ng computer yung bootable device mo, ito yung lalabas. Okay, pagdating sa actual installation. Alright? So, makikita natin language to install, of course, yung English. Siyempre, hindi natin maintindihan yung ibang language. Though, wala naman tayong other options. Okay, time and currency format, of course, English pa rin ang lalagay natin. Pero if you want to change it, then it's fine. Okay, so Philippines, maybe. Ayan. Time and currency. Yung keyboard natin, dalawa lang kasi yan. Ay, madami pala. Alright, pero ang normally kasi, ang international keyboard na ginagamit natin is US. Okay? Yun yung pinaka-standard muna natin. Right? Then after that, I'll just click next. Okay, dito sa window na to, uh, dito natin makikita yung install now button, of course. Di ba? So, aside from that, we have actually a repair your computer kit. Okay? What to know before the installing Windows. Tapos, repair your computer. If ever, let's say for example, you forget your password, your login password dito sa Windows mo, Windows 7 mo, you can actually use the same operating system. And once na nandito ka na sa part na to, just click repair your computer and some other steps, madidecrypt mo yung password mo sa computer mo. Yeah. So, another tip para ma-bypass mo yung password mo. Okay? But then, syempre, hindi natin siya ituturo kasi hindi yun ang topic natin. No? But then, before that, what are those categories na sinelect natin before this installation? Yeah, alright. And I'll just click install now para maka-proceed na tayo sa ating installation process ng ating OS. Okay, which is the Windows 7. And always remember din ito, once you install an operating system that have 64-bit architecture, lahat dapat na-install mong OS is nasa 64-bit architecture din siya. Kasi pagdating sa dulo nun, lalo doon sa networking or network management, magkakaroon ka ng problema. Sometimes hindi kasi siya man-network. Or kung man-network mo man, hindi mo makuha yung function ng network mo according dun sa wants mo. Alright? So, in short, magkakaroon ng problem. Okay? So, that's why I'm going to install a 64-bit architecture. Okay, we have actually lots of versions pagdating sa Windows 7. Ayan. So, meron tayong Home Basic, Premium, Professional, Ultimate. Ultimate, Enterprise. Okay, good. Alright. So, ang Home Basic is very limited. So, once na sinelect mo ang Home Basic, hindi ka makapag-configure, hindi ka makakapagpalit ng computer name, hindi ka makakapagpalit ng IP address mo, and so on, which is useless. Okay? Kasi nasa network management tayo kasi neto after. So, the best na isi-select natin is the ultimate. Even professional is fine. Okay? But then, since nandito naman na tayo and we have an option, then, piliin na natin kung ano yung the best. Alright, the best, di ba? Okay, after natin ma-select, since 64-bit that's, yung architecture natin is 64-bit. Always remember that. Okay? So, we have here the, I think, the user. End user license terms and agreement. Okay? Or CULA. End user license agreement. Okay? So, EULA. After that, hindi ko na syempre babasahin kasi napakahaba niya, no? I accept the license terms. Then I'll just click next. Ayan. So, dito sa installation na part na to, meron tayong dalawang pagpipilian, which is the upgrade and custom advanced. Alright, so once you select the upgrade, meaning upgrade to newer version of Windows and keep your files, settings, and programs, the options to upgrade is only available when existing version of Windows is running. We recommend backing up your files before you proceed. Alright, so pagdating sa upgrade, you're not going to install a newly installed operating system on your computer, but then you're just upgrading it. Okay? And all your file settings and programs will remain. Okay, may iwan siya. But, okay, make sure to back up your files. Kasi worst comes to worst, nagkaroon ng problem, then hindi mo na siya ma-open. Okay? Pero madalang din siya ginagamit kasi once you upgrade, let's say for example, you install an operating system that is a home basic. Yeah, then if you're going to upgrade it to Ultimate, then that's yan ang option. Isang option. Okay? The other option will be custom and advanced. Install a new copy of Windows. Ito. Ito na yung sineselect natin once we have a newly assembled computer. Ayan. So, newly assembled computer siya or your computer you have lots of virus, ano? Lagging, ibig sabihin puno na siya and masyado na siya, yun nga, madaming virus. Kaya siya naglalag din. If you're going to format it para ma-refresh, ma-reset siya, ito yung siselect mo. Okay? Just for now, i-select ko muna yung custom and advanced. Okay? Kasi parang newly installed computer, newly assembled computer tayo. Okay, so I want you to compare or differentiate rather the two options before this window. Okay, anong options na yun? The upgrade and custom. Okay, now, dito naman tayo dun sa partition or dividing process. Alright, so I have a total of 32 gigabytes on my hard disk. Okay, so as you can see, I have no type. I have here free space and total size, then the name, unallocated space. Alright? So, paano natin siya gagawin? You can actually click this one if you're going to, if you want to have one partition only that have 32 gigabytes of space. Okay? But I want to divide it into two. Yan, two partitions. Okay? Normally kasi nakikita natin in our computer, we have drive C and drive D. Ibig sabihin ng drive C, drive D, mayroong dalawang partitions of computer. Okay, so paano siya ginagawa? Normally, once na kung sino yung unang may nailagay dito sa tile, which is primary, siya si drive C. Okay, kung sino yung pangalawa, of course, siya si drive D. Okay, paano siya gawin? Just select the unallocated space, then just click the option or advance. Then we'll just click the new. Alright, so let's say for example, we're going to divide it into 60% and 40% of the total size. Ayan. So, kuha tayong calculator. Okay, so I have here 100% of the total storage capacity, which have 32,768. Yan. Multiplied by 60%. Multiplied by. Mali ata, mali. Oh, sorry. Okay, 32,768 multiplied by 0.6 lang pala, 0.6 para sa 60%. Kinonvert ko na siya. Okay? 0.60 para hindi kayo masyado malito. Equals to, tama naman pala yun, 19,660.8. Okay? So, yun ang 60% ng ating 32 gigabytes. Ano ulit? Yeah. Okay? So, we have 19,660 32,000 19,660. Okay, kaya mo na yung 0.8. Okay, just click apply. Okay, sometimes if you're going to click the OK, nagkakaroon pa siya ng other parang partition, pero ito ay para sa mga system reserves niya. Ayan, so hayaan nyo lang siya. And I'll just click OK. Ayan, ito yung para sa system niya. So, since we have our first primary, so siya yung si drive C. Okay, isa-select ko lang yung remaining, of course, if tinanggal ko yung 60%, eventually, yung natitira doon is 40%, right? Okay, I'll just click new and apply. Okay, then para magamit ko siya agad, I'll just click format. Okay, format para at least pwede mo siyang gamitin. Okay, so meron na tayong drive C and drive T. Of course, normally, ang ginagamit natin or pinag-i-installan natin ng OS is sa drive C. Ayan. So, select natin yung first na primary na nagawa. I'll just click next. Okay, the installation process hanggang sa matapos yan is proceeding. Okay? Tanong, what is partition? Pangalawang tanong, how to create a partition? Okay? So, third question, how are you going to identify the drives? Alright. Okay? So, if you do not have any questions, concerns, clarifications, just direct message me if ever mayroon. Okay? So, ito, antayin ko lang siyang tapusin para sa next video natin. Okay? So, with this process, we are going to install all until completing, ito, completing dito, completing the installation. Okay? So, have a good day.